Are you still using long, messy nested if functions in Excel? Today on Edulap, I'm going to show you a much cleaner way to handle multiple conditions using the switch formula. Looking at our screen, we have a list of employees with performance scores. To get their ratings, we currently have this massive nested if formula in the formula bar. It works, but it's hard to read and even harder to fix if you make a mistake. Let's replace it. We'll start by typing =switch. The first thing Excel asks for is the expression. This is the value we want to test, in this case Mark's score in cell E6. Now, we simply pair the possible scores with their ratings. If it's 1, the result is poor. If it's 2, it's below average. If it's 3, it's average. If it's 4, it's good. And if it's 5, it's excellent. Instead of typing the words manually, notice how we are selecting the cells from our reference table on the right. This makes the formula dynamic. To make sure the formula works when we drag it down, we use absolute references by adding dollar signs to our table cells, like $G$6 and $H$6. Once we've mapped out all 5 levels, we close the bracket and hit Enter. Look at that! We get the exact same result as the complicated IF statement, but the formula is much more organized. Now, just double-click the fill handle to apply it to the rest of the list. Clean, simple, and efficient. If you found this Edulap tip helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel mastery.